AI, the world that we are getting into right now. And through this, one thing that he has learned a lot about is integral education, which in simple words is to be aware of your surroundings. So to delve more into this topic, I'll welcome Karn Parekh to come and start. Let's give a round of applause for him. Thank you.
So what's the input device? Camera. Camera. Okay. What is camera to human body?
Eyes.
How much data does the human body get every second? Body reset is equally important for us. We'll try once more. Okay. 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. Move in front. Move back. How was the second time back? Better. This is why engineer. We know how to solve a puzzle. See, this education what you are getting, you can get in AI. Gemini But what our professors are telling us, the method of doing it. This is the most important. It's structuring our own mind. This is one part of an engineer. Say, cooling panlama. We'll have some refreshments.
Welcome back, Karn Parekh.
We are integrating nervous system as a very important sense in our AI algorithm. This Instagram's algorithm, pattern recognition and step-by-step analysis of whom you want to go. Then we type the art. What we search on Google, the intent of search, our Google location is being transmitted and given to Meta, which is the heart. Full day till we do a purchase. This is called targeted advertisement. Are you okay being a slave to the internet? Hidden information in social media. Consumer psychology. Advanced data analytics. SEO infrastructure and strategic brand positioning. Have you heard about these points, these things? Send results. Okay. Human intelligence. Understanding? Depth. Perfect. Next, artificial intelligence. Raise your hand, one by one. Super.
Quick analysis of a topic or a particular.
Quick analysis of a topic. Super. Next.
Handles large data system. Handles large data system.
Manager.
AI is way more consistent than human.
I don't need to be woken up.
AI is 24/7 awake.
I'm awake when I'm awake.
But when I read human, you are not awake. So I'm way more efficient than you.
I understand when a person tells me something. I'm not wrong-based.
I'm prompt-based, but I am also precise in my data.
Not boasting about the company. We have catered to 35 types of industries till now.
On behalf of Puducherry Technological University, I want to thank Auro Creative Studio, Mr. Karn and his team.
Picked up on younger colleague, but they were very particular that I should at company. I asked Ilavasma also. He said that okay, they wanted to do so. Thank you, Devi, and thank you, Shanti. Thank you.
Myself, Pratyusha Sri. I'm from TPU Technological University. I'm studying CSE department. I was so inspired after coming here and experiencing this session.
Hi, myself Danya. So today we had a very good, interesting session, and I had more insight about doing a startup. So it was like a very good learning experience for me. So through this section, we came to know that we don't know free of. We came to acquire more information and knowledge.
Auro studio was very good, and we learned many things from Karn sir, and the environment was very good, and the time spending here was very insightful and thankful opportunity.
And Auro Creators team is so friendly, and it was a great experience to work with Mr. Karn sir and his team. I'm looking forward to joining as an intern, and thank you so much.